Hi all, back with an update video today on my Fixify 25k challenge. The original video for this account went out 6 days ago on YouTube on the 26th of September. I believe I filmed the video on the 24th. Today is the 2nd of October. I thought I'd just give a little bit of an update of where we are. Last week, when I shared the account, it was at 1.62%, and as I speak today, the account is at 2.61%. This is trading the same pound USD trend follow strategy that I was trading a week ago. I've taken the decision not to add any more strategies or set files on at the moment. I'll get a full month out of this one set file and I'll review again. So keep tuned for another update video in a week's time. That's when I'll be making a decision whether to add any more sets in and where the account's at. At the minute, I've been trading this fully. As mentioned in the last video, I purchased it back in July when they had an offer on a Fixify, and I didn't properly start trading until the 11th of September. We're now 3 weeks in today, and we're at 2.61%. So, with prop firms not pushing you anymore to pass challenges within 30 days, I'm quite happy at the current rate just to take the slow burn, and it will be a slow burn to 10%. But 3 weeks at 2.62 would see me, if I carried on with the set file performing as it is, would see me passing stage one probably within the 3 months. For some, that would be a bind. For me, I feel that's a reasonable pace to make 10%, and others would disagree. Um, but I just think expectations versus reality sometimes are so far off with traders, and that's why they trip themselves up. Just show you the stats quickly on the Fixify page. Again, colourful, colourful colourful portal. I don't like it as much as my FX book or the social trader tools for stats. As you see, purchased way back here, didn't start trading till here, and the it's the exact same stats on this as we have got on social trader tools. 2.61% up. And as I say, looking to take this one steady. Still debating whether to add my pound CAD trend follow setting, which has been covered in other videos. I don't know. I need to weigh up how much I will be um, probably relying on Great British Pound too much. I might look to diversify a bit more and add a AUD CAD set on that I've been running. But as I say, I'll make that decision when we get a full month's worth of data running this pound USD trend set, which I'd ran on demo for a few weeks prior to applying onto this. I'll be honest, if this was a funded account at 2.61%, I would probably switch off now for the rest of the month and take my $650 profit. So after split, you'd be around $520. And again, some people might say, why would you do that? 2% on a 25k account, nothing in a month. At the end of the day, if you could do 2.5% over four accounts, that's after profit splits, you're looking around 1,500 to $2,000 profit a month if you was doing this on four 25k funded accounts. So just a bit of food for thought there, really. Spreading your risk over four smaller accounts rather than the big 100k, 200k accounts is certainly an option open to you as a trader. And if you're not going to win every month, but if you was to average a strong 2% most months, you can still take quite a reasonable share of profit. And again, back to the expectation versus reality. I see this the other day. Them stats there, I think they're brilliant. Off 54 trades to make that return on an account of this size with very little stress. And then I see this the other day on Twitter, and this is what we're up against in the trading industry, in my opinion. Ben Sparham, I don't know the guy. It just appeared in my Twitter feed. Um, and he's right what he's saying here about a tweet from Jordan F. Again, I don't know either of these gentlemen, but Jordan F is saying $400 every day is 100k a year, and he's right. He's right with that statement. 252, 253 working days a year, $400 each day would be 100,000, well, 101k a year. But I think it's the next bit of his statement which is just wild. 4% of a 10k account, small gains add up. If if you've got a 10k account, be it prop, or personal funds, making 4% a month on that account would be a great achievement. $400 each month. What this guy is saying is take 10 grand, and it would have to probably be a um, a personal account because the prop firm rules would just be so stringent. To try and make $400 a day on 10k prop account would be crazy, but it's also crazy to think that you can make 4% every day on a 10k account, even if it was personal funds. And this is the expectation versus reality that I talk about. And someone coming into Forex who's new to it would see that and think this is easy, 100k a year. That is a wild statement, and this Ben Sparring was saying that in his reply. Really, just 4% a day, that's all you need. Look, if you're making 4% a month, you're doing well. And as I've proved on the stats within my Fixify, even at 2.6% a month on a 25k account, you're not having a bad time of it. So for me, brilliant bit of advice for you guys looking to get into trading or already trading is keep your expectations versus reality in check, and don't be thinking it's as easy as making $400 a day on a 10k account. That is just wild. So bear that in mind, and thanks for watching.